Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to kick things up a notch with an incredible full body workout that's guaranteed to get your heart pumping and muscles burning. If you're ready to feel the burn and see some serious results, then let's jump right in. We've got 6 powerful exercises lined up and we're going to power through them together. So grab your water bottle, find a comfortable space, and let's get moving. All right, we are starting off with runner touches. This exercise is amazing for your coordination and really fires up those legs. Remember, keep your core engaged. Yes, guys, the motivation behind the exercise is that you keep on doing it daily, regularly. Okay, your form is not perfect, you are trying to work it out in the best shape possible, keeping that rhythm of breathing deep and inhaling and exhaling at the right times. Just but one thing we need to keep in mind is that in any case we need to do our daily exercise. Okay, here and there sometimes some exceptions can be there, but mostly we need to do our daily exercise. Abdominal muscles, very hard to get them into shape. This is very important that
Next up,
we
we've got bottom-up
struggle with
squats.
them. That's
This
the
one is
only
fantastic
way
for your
this
glutes and quads.
this fat
Start in a
around the
squat
belly
position,
will
explode
go
up,
off.
and then
It's not
return
easy,
back
it
down.
takes time.
Feel that
Yes,
burn
it
and
is
push through it.
difficult,
Let's
but
make those
we
legs
are going
stronger.
to reach there.
Keep pushing.
We
You
are
got
going
this.
to do our daily
Feel those muscles
exercises.
working. Something.
No excuses. On top of that, we need to control our diet. Guys, you know that carbs should be less, proteins to be increased. This is the way we have to control. Starting from portion control, just reduce the amount of whatever you are eating, whatever is available at home. We know that we cannot every day maintain and ask to prepare ourselves things that are really matching our diet plan we get from somewhere. It's not practical to make all those things daily. So best way out is to eat whatever is available at home. Obviously not the junk food, but we need to control the portion. I am on this
Now,
together with
it's
you.
time to work on that
Okay,
core
you
with
are
boat to low
looking
boat.
at
This
my,
move is excellent for your ABS and lower back.
the waist area.
Start in a boat
It's
position,
not really
lower
in
yourself
the
down
shape.
and bring it back
This
up.
is the journey
Keep
we
your
are
core
on
tight and
together,
controlled.
and
Let's get those abs on fire.
let's do
Feel
it
that burn in your
step
core.
by
Stay
step.
with it. You're
Every
stronger
day
than you
we
think.
are going to be a source of motivation and inspiration for each of us, and compiling these exercises, looking in the internet and trying to select the best ones out there. Easier. Okay, we are not at that strength level to do the expert, the high endurance, high intensity ones. So just this basic, start with that. Let us start with that. This board to low board, as you are saying, is okay. This is kind of one level up, and it really
All right, let's challenge
you know,
our core even more
is
with pendulum
effective
legs.
on the
Lie down on your back,
muscles around
lift
the
your legs,
abdomen.
and swing them
This
side to
one
side
and
like a
on the
pendulum.
screen that I'm
Keep
doing
your lower
is,
back pressed to the ground,
pendulum
ready to rock those abs.
legs we
Let's
call
go.
it. Just we have to swing legs on each side of the body, lying down flat. This really the moment arm that produces the legs, the weight of the legs, and as we extend it on each side, this creates really some pressure, which is very effective and helpful to work out those muscles around the abdominal area. That stubborn fat, guys, that we need to burn is this is the exercise, one of the exercise that should be part of our daily exercise. And please leave comments what exercise you did, which was really you were feeling in your abs and core, which was not very effective in your opinion. So do let me know in comments. We will include the exercise which are effective in our daily routine. That's our motivation, people, to just watch this video, like it, share it, and set a time, and we do it together. And all of them are easier as we watch. We can do it. There is no specific, too much time pausing and looking to repeat it in a perfect way. It's not the case. It's very easy. By just looking at once, you are able to do this exercise. This one is really helpful in the upper body. This twisting those arms. Yes, yes, we are doing this. Seems not effective, but it is actually when you are doing it. It's if it is your fourth and fifth in the sequence, so then you are feeling in the upper body that muscular workout that you are looking for to get your body in shape. It will be not perfect, but we need to do it. We need to keep doing it. This is a variation exercise from the bridge exercise, the very popular one. These slight modifications, they help a lot, because the original bridge exercise is quite easy, and we just lose the motivation of doing it, thinking, okay, this is not we do not feel any burning immediately while doing so. Okay, maybe we can skip it. Yes, okay, fine. So but we cannot totally ignore this exercise because it is very beneficial. We need to just modify it. This is one of the modifications which makes it effective immediately when you are doing it. Keep that form, trying to just do it in as good as possible form. And you can see sweating. It's an indication that okay, it's kind of an achievement. Nowadays, the kind of lifestyle we have, we rarely get to the point where our body sweats, and it engages our muscle and metabolism improvement. That stage is not going to reach so easily. So yes, we have to go that far while our daily exercise. This is only a 10 minutes video, and in these 10 minutes we have worked out muscles in the legs and upper body. It's really good exercises. Please do it and let me know. Yes, you can see that. Yeah, I'm feeling it in my abs. Raising leg as high as possible. Slowly we'll build up and to that level. Actually, straight leg bicycle but keeping legs straight is a challenge. Slowly we'll improve in our form. So most of the exercises we need to keep doing them for 60 seconds